industrial use products for more than 14 years. After many years' efforts, our company has good quality and excellent R&D team. We design many patent products. We established a long business relationship with customers in West European, East Europe, North America, South America, Middle East, Asia, Australia, and all over the world. Our annual sales are keeping improved 30% every year. We own the advanced production line and strictly control every step of production. We will endeavor wholeheartedly with a large number of customers to create a mutual beneficial and bright future by providing patent innovative products, quick and satisfactory after service, and the first-class professional knowledge. Focused professionalism and attentiveness is our concept of development. Welcome new and old customers from all walks of life to contact us for future business relations and responsible common success. We're looking forward to working with you. Warmly welcome to visit our company.